Hello, hello, hello. So I wanted to do something simple. I wanted to do something simple for this one. Personally, I like browns and neutral type colors, so I think I chose something that's actually perfect for that. I don't know, maybe at the end you guys can let me know what you think of these colors. I'm going to get this into a couple of my groups here on Facebook, and then we can get started. So that's one. Come on, computer, catch up with me. There we go. All right, last group. There we go. All right. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Blah. Never ever do anything without eye primer. Never, never, never. So I'm not doing like any crease colors. Like I said, I want to do something just simple. Simplicity is kind of my thing lately. I just like something that's simple. Hey, Desiree! So for the Looking Hottie bundle today, I chose Grateful for the cream shadow. I'm going to use this as a base color. And actually, let me get my light for you guys. Because even though my window is open, it just doesn't seem like enough light on my face for this, for you guys to see. Ah, there we go. Okay, but yeah, so this is the color that I chose for a base color. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Got my cream shadow brush. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this just to the lid itself. I might work it up into the crease just a little bit though. Okay, so I got my base color on there. It's very, very neutral, as you can see. It's a very, very neutral color, but I love it. So let's add a little bit of shimmer on top of that. So I chose Antsy, the Antsy shade Pressed Shadow, which is this one right here at the end. So I chose that one because it's fairly similar in color, but it'll add some shimmer to it. Keep it looking all pretty for me. Put that down over there. Tap off the excess. I'm just going to apply this over the top. See what I mean? Just nice, pretty, shimmery. Nice shimmery color over on top. So now we got like the shimmer and then, you know, the plain, so you can kind of see the difference. There we go. Now we got our shimmer in there on top of our cream shadow. Ta-da! And then the color Hottie lip plumper that I chose for this is Chandelle because I feel like it kind of goes along the lines of that light brown, almost neutral shade. So here we go. Like I said, keeping it light and neutral, and yeah. There we go. Fix that disaster. And then to complete my Hottie bundle, the Epic Mascara, which, by the way, you guys, I still have 7 on hand left. So message me if you're interested in that. Got a special surprise going on. If you're interested, send me a message. There we go. Ta-da! I love my Epic. I never put it on my bottom lashes though. Anyways, then I can fix my bangs. And ta-da! Just something quick, simple, easy, and very, very neutral looking. So like I said, I used my Splurge Cream shadow. The shade is called Grateful. Ta-da! For a base. And then I chose a shimmery shadow, similar in color, to go on top of it. Chose the Hottie Lip Plumper in Shamdell because I felt that it kind of fits what I was going for here. And then again, completed my Looking Hottie bundle with the Epic Mascara. And ta-da! And special surprise, Looking Hottie bundle will be available through August 10th. So it is not just the July kudos, it is being stretched out into August. Ta-da! There we go. So, yeah, so if you're interested in getting your very own Looking Hottie bundle, go ahead and send me a message and I can help you with picking your colors and all that fun jazz. Yeah. Alright, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys. Bye.